Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 23rd January 2025. Political news. BJP aims to reclaim Delhi after decades. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, is striving to regain control of Delhi after nearly 30 years in the upcoming election on 5 February 2025. The BJP plans to offer financial support to various underprivileged groups, mirroring strategies that secured victories in recent state elections. They face competition from the Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, which has governed Delhi for a decade with its own welfare programs. Both parties have faced criticism for their populist approaches, which have led to fiscal challenges. India and US plan Modi-Trump meeting. Diplomats from India and the United States are working to arrange a meeting in February between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump. The agenda includes enhancing trade relations and easing the issuance of skilled worker visas for Indian citizens. This meeting aims to strengthen ties early in Trump's new term. Manipur Chief Minister warns against illegal immigration. N. Biren Singh, Chief Minister of Manipur, emphasized the need for caution regarding illegal immigration, drawing parallels to issues faced in Assam, Tripura, and with the Rohingya. He stressed the importance of equal development and mutual respect between communities to ensure a united Manipur. Sports news. India vs England first T20 International. In the opening match of the T20 series at Eden Gardens in Kolkata, India's bowlers dominated, with Varun Chakravarthi and Axar Patel delivering impressive performances. England struggled against spin, with Jos Buttler being the standout performer for England, scoring 68 runs off 44 balls. The match is the first of 5 T20s in England's tour of India. Arshdeep Singh sets T20I record. Indian bowler Arshdeep Singh shattered an all-time India T20 international record with twin breakthroughs in the first T20I against England. His performance has been a significant highlight in India's bowling attack. PV Sindhu and Laksha Sen to lead India in Badminton Asia Mixed Championship. Top Indian shuttlers PV Sindhu and Laksha Sen are set to lead the Indian contingent in the Badminton Asia Mixed Team Championship scheduled to take place in China. Their leadership is expected to bolster India's chances in the tournament. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.